In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website in just a few easy steps, perfect for 2025. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and head over to Elfsight. From the dashboard, locate the section labeled My Apps. This is your starting point for creating dynamic and engaging pop-ups for your Wix site. Once you're on the My Apps page, look for and click on the option aptly named Catalog. The catalog is essentially a library of all the different types of widgets you can add to your website. After you are in the catalog, type pop-up in the search bar. This will filter out everything else, ensuring that you only see the pop-up widgets available. You'll want to click on the option that says pop-up to proceed. A variety of templates will appear, and you can select one that suits the theme and purpose of your website by simply clicking on select from this template. After choosing a template, click on continue with this template. This will load a customization interface where you can start editing and personalizing your pop-up. Begin with editing the heading, which is the text that grabs your visitor's attention in bold fonts. Use catchy and concise language here to make a strong first impression. Next, you'll want to adjust the spacing to ensure that all elements are well balanced and neatly aligned within the pop-up. Continue by editing the main text itself. Now is the time to include any vital information or a call to action that you want your audience to see. Once you have tailored the heading and text, switch your focus to the button. Here, customize its text, color, and positioning to make it stand out and easy for your visitors to interact with. If needed, you can also click on Add Element to introduce additional features like images or icons that enhance visual interest. Once you've perfected your pop-up's design, click on Publish to take it live. For those opting for the free version, go ahead and click on the free option and then click on Select. This finalizes your option to use the free version of the widget. The next step is crucial. Click on Copy Code. This code is what you'll need to integrate the pop-up with your Wix site. Now navigate to your Wix website editor. Once there, look for the plus icon, which allows you to add new elements to your page. Hover over Embed Code and select Embed HTML from the options. In the space provided, paste the code you copied earlier, and finally click on Update. Congratulations! You've successfully added a pop-up to your Wix website. With these widgets, you're now able to engage more with your visitors effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.